Would you like to enjoy hassle-free travel across the world without cross-currency charges? Introducing HDFC Bank's Regalia ForexPlus card. Terms and conditions apply. Even if you're new to HDFC Bank, applying for the Regalia ForexPlus card is easy. Just use your mobile number and OTP. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for Regalia ForexPlus card. Visit getaprepaidcard.hdfcbank.com. Navigate to the Regalia ForexPlus card and click on Apply Now. Then enter your mobile number. Acknowledge the terms and conditions and click Continue to proceed. Further, add your personal details and click on Continue. Review details, and once you are sure about it, enter promo code if available and click on Next. You can also modify details if you wish to. Next, enter complete details of the person traveling, the travel country, and other necessary information, then click on Continue. Enter the details of the card you'll be using to add funds to your Regalia ForexPlus card. Then click on Submit. You can easily check your details in the application summary section. Lastly, enter the amount you wish to load and make the payment. Congratulations! You can now travel worry-free with Regalia ForexPlus card, with a host of premium features, including zero cross-currency markup fees, USD loaded convenience, contactless tap and pay, complimentary lounge access, comprehensive insurance cover, worldwide acceptance at Visa, MasterCard merchants, multiple reloading options, and much more. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank's YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon for regular updates.